Hello friends, welcome back to English Easy Peasy. Today we are learning do and does. Let's begin. We use do and does to talk about action, habits and questions. Let's see how to use them correctly. We use do with I, you, we, they. I do my homework. You do your job. We do yoga every morning. They do their best. We use does with he, she, it. He does his homework. She does her makeup. It does not work. Now remember this easy rule. I, you, we, they do. He, she, it does. Let's practice together. I blank my homework. I do my homework. She blank her hair every day. She does her hair every day. They blank their dishes after dinner. They do their dishes after dinner. Be careful, friends. He do his work? No, he does his work. They does his job? No, they do their job. See, it's easy peasy once you know the rules. Now write 3 sentences using do or does in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more English Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy.